afternoon, everybody. As I start this small presentation, I already got a chit which says, sir, please wrap up. So I think Mr. Jacob has ensured that the asking rate of the Indian batting team, the way it goes up in the end overs, it's gone up fairly well. But I promise to keep it very short and concise. What we would like to know, just present in the 5 to 7 minutes what we have got. Thanking ELTTS to invite us to such an august presence and forum. We heard a lot about technology, we heard a lot about integration, we heard a lot about the way hospitals can be made smart. When we started this journey of providing healthcare solutions to the industry, what we thought is what is the way in which we can help not only the patients, the end users, but the caregivers as well as the administrators, all of us who would like to run these hospitals smoothly and efficiently. So what do all of them require and how can we innovate in a way which helps to bring the solution, a very smart solution, and it helps all the people to express their own services in a more efficient way. And can that innovation be done smartly? And can the innovation be done in a structured way? Yes, it has become possible for us, is what we would like to just demonstrate in the next 5-7 minutes. Godrej is a huge township. It has been into a lot of industries. We are into office and consumer products and industrial solutions as well, and having a national presence all across the country. What we are going to talk today about basically is solutions for healthcare. So when we see on the left-hand side, in addition to the office furniture and the home furniture space, which we have been for the last 50 or 70 years, healthcare solutions has emerged as a vertical for us, a strong vertical for us in the last 7 years. And these are all the areas in which we can provide solutions. Now, when we started this talk, we said that how can we take care of the administrators? What do they want? They require all the equipments, everything which comes in should have a correct quality. They should be properly certified so that there's no issue at a later date. The caregivers feel that the equipment should be safer to use, easier to use in order to increase their efficiency. And the end users, of course, should have a feeling of safety and warmth when they use all these equipments. So is there a structured designed approach in which this can be done? Yes, it is possible. So what we did is we partnered with an institute in US to help us to innovate solutions on a Make in India concept, which takes care of the Indian anthropometrics, and at the same time, it helps us to design solutions which will help all the people and concerned with this entire structure. So first, knowing the context, where do we want to do, what do we want to do, knowing the people who are involved, sensing the intent, after that getting the insights which goes into the more research phase, framing the proper concepts, and then framing solutions, exploring the feasibility of it, and then coming out with realizing of offerings. So if you see, the solutions always go from real to abstract to again real, which helps us to design these solutions. We'll just take some quick examples of how it has been achieved. So for example, if you see in this slide, so here while designing this product, which is like a gynec chair solution, which is required to be given into all these clinics right from tier 1 to tier 4. So testing on the desirability part, whether is it required as a solution or are we over designing it? Point number 2, is it viable? Is it cost effective? Is it a value for money kind of a solution? And then definitely, first of all, is it feasible? If it's not feasible at all, then we're just shooting in the dark. So this is how we come to the concept of a most valuable design, and this is how the study has helped us. So if you see, this is a lot of research, a lot of study, helped us get a lot of insights of being closer to the patient, easier for the doctors to operate on them, the height adjustability, the comfort of the backrest on which the patient would be there on the gynec chair, what is the kind of material which is used, is it easier to clean, is it easier to maintain, and how it can be maintained, how much is the turnaround time. So after doing all that, what are the different kind of positions it can attain, what are the kind of attachments it can go in, which has helped us to come out with this proto, and this, we got a design award for this in the month of February in the same city of Delhi. Similarly, an emergency recovery trolley. Now, while before designing an emergency recovery trolley is the entire transport journey, right from the customer calling a rickshaw or taxi, an ambulance, to right going to the registration desk, what are the different processes through which he goes through, what are the different processes through which a caregiver goes through, the administrator goes through, doing a lot of research process, getting insights. Okay, it's very difficult to impart CPR to a patient. If this ERT keeps on moving, if it's very heavy, it's difficult to move around the corridors. So doing all this research helps us to come out with this kind of a design which takes care of the Indian situations from tier 1 to tier 4 cities. Similarly, a bed, whether it can be like a patient rejuvenation model rather than just being a pure simple bed. So what are the kind of features that are involved? Can it be a good design which can be a soothing design? At the same time, it takes care of all the certifications and all the other equipments which are there in there, the attachments, the transfer possibility of a patient transfer trolley, the height adjustability, whether it goes down correctly, whether the casters can move in a single directional lock, it becomes easier for the caregiver to move the patient in emergency, the removable ABS surfaces which helps people to maintain the hygiene. So all these kind of things come in because of this kind of design inputs which help us to design solutions. And of course, coming to the safety and compliance standards, ensuring that all the FDA norms are being met for all the products which are being designed, so that doesn't become an issue at all. And all this being done with Indian ergonomic design and anthropometric data, so which ensures that all our Indian patients fit into all these equipments. Of course, the entire range is there to supplement and go along with that. Now, going a step further away, how can we further still try to integrate the solutions so that it becomes easier for the administrators to work and focus on their core areas? So after, these are the certificates and some of the awards, and this is how we have now integrated into, so okay, we can provide a single one-stop solution to all the needs. So whether it is design, civil, interiors, electricals, HVAC, MEPs, we just get a design, we implement it, and we completely do this thing so that you don't have the pain of going through a PMC, going through separate contractors, haggling with them. What comes out as a big advantage is not only being providing as a single stop solution, but what helps us is because of the unique software, we are able to track and we are able to crash the buffer time to less than 50%. Because all the different buffers which are being built up by all the contractors add up to a bigger buffer. Here being a single stop solution, we are able to work on a consolidated buffer rather than an individual buffer. And this kind of a critical chain project management, this is something which is shared with our customer as well. He sees it on a day-to-day basis. Where is my project going on? Is it on time? Is it not going on time? If it is in red, if it's gone into the buffer, it needs to be pulled back. What are the places where we need to work together jointly to get this project back into green? And this has helped us to execute most of our projects on time in the last year. This is one of the examples. A 4.3 lakh square feet of hospital was done in 9 months, right from core shell to furnishing it with all the furniture. At one point of time, there were more than 700 people working at the site, but all efficiently coordinated and all efficiently done because of support from the customer and because of this software and efficient management. So this is how the finish has come out. It's all there. You can go and have a look at it. This is one project insight at Gurgaon, Orissa Stevie Dolly Oriver project, which is going on right now. This is a work insight which should be getting ready in 2 months' time, flat. And of course, we complement it with all the other furnitures which comes in the admin and the nursing areas, all in-house manufactured by Godrej, all in-house, no China, no imports. Lab furniture for all your solutions can also be done in that. In addition, going beyond business, we are also doing a lot of ergonomic and wellness sessions as a kind of initiative from our end to try and help the caregivers to ensure that they are able to be fit and fine and they keep on working efficiently at all times. This is the kind of service which we are providing. It's our small contribution to all the hospitals, and we would like to get more and more involved in this and learn more and share the learning. That's all.